Hello to the entire Xiaomi community, everyone is welcome to this Unbrick Xiaomi channel. Today we are going to repair a Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra. A friend wrote to us from Germany, who tells us that his device is in System Destroyed with 3 attempts already made after flashing successfully. His device was still the same. After making a brief diagnosis, he proceeded to repair the device. In this case, the device was still entering FASTBOOT mode and it was possible to use FASTBOOT for idle. It was not necessary to uncover it to test the point manually. Before doing all this, the drivers were correctly installed and it was indicated which firmware version should be downloaded in the FASTBOOT format to revive the device. With everything in order, we send the request to the authorized MI account. It only remains to wait for it to finish successfully. All devices do not follow the same process, so before doing anything it is necessary to verify your device. For international payments we have PayPal, Binance available or local transfer in countries such as Brazil, Chile, Peru, Colombia, Venezuela and Bolivia. Check the comment posted, there will be my Telegram or WhatsApp contact along with the requirements to be able to provide remote support in the fastest and best possible way. Don't forget to follow my channel on Telegram. Repair carried out successfully by Xiaomi Worldwide JC Specialist in Xiaomi devices. See you soon.